How to delete a column in Microsoft List. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a column in Microsoft List. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft List into your browser, sign into your account, and head over into that specific list where you want to delete a column. So from here, go ahead and select a column that you want to delete. So after you have selected a column, go ahead and click on the column name of that specific column. Now make sure that that column isn't a necessary column for your list. Now under this, click on column settings and then click on this hide this column. So you cannot delete it entirely, but you can hide it instead. So once you click on this hide column button, this column would be hidden once you reload your page. And that is how you can basically delete a column on Microsoft List. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.